To buy on Superbuy. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to buy on Superbuy. So first you have to go to Superbuy website and sign up for an account if you don't have one. And if you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Number two, browse and search for products. Use the search bar or browse the product categories to find items you want to purchase. Superbuy allows you to buy items from various online Chinese shopping platforms such as Taobao, Tmall, and others. Number three, add products to your cart. Once you find a product you want to buy, click on it to view the details. Check the product description, price, and shipping options. If you're happy with the product, click on Add to Cart or similar buttons to place it in your shopping cart. Number four, review your cart. After adding items to your cart, go to the cart page to review the products you've selected and then double check the quantities, sizes, and specifications before proceeding. Number five, choose shipping options. Superbuy offers various shipping methods, including domestic Chinese shipping and international shipping options. Choose your preferred shipping method based on factors like speed, cost, and delivery location. Number six, provide shipping address. Enter the address where you'd like the items to be delivered. Make sure to provide accurate information to avoid delays or issues with delivery. Number seven, add payment information. Select your preferred payment information. Superbuy typically supports payment via credit card, PayPal, or other payment services. Number eight, place the order. After reviewing order, shipping options, and payment details, confirm your order and pay and place it. Number 9, chase your order. After your order is placed, Superbuy will update you on the status of your order, including whether the items are shipped to their warehouse in China and eventually to your address. You can track your order in the My Orders section of your Superbuy account. Number 10, receive your products. Once the order is shipped to you, you will receive it according to the shipping method you selected. Be prepared for possible custom duties or taxes depending on your country. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.